Now this is actually to arouse you out of slumber. For the soul is dead that slumbers. We are slumbering, unmindful of the real goal of life, forgetting our death, which is inevitable. The only thing which is inevitable and most certain about life is death. You can't be sure that you will be able to see the sun of tomorrow. Can anybody be? Who can be sure he will be able to reach his house, his family? The most certain thing in life is death. And we try to ignore it. Even if the idea of death comes, we want to just shut it off. Even when we are accompanying the dead body's janaza, and we are ourselves lowering the dead body into the grave, we don't think that might be I am in his place tomorrow. We want to avoid even the thought of death, to arouse you out of that slumber. Wallace, time is fleeting, it's going. Time is money. It's the most precious thing that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you. It's not to be wasted.